Welcome to 10684 Velvet Ash Lane. This home is located in Lillian, Alabama, close to the Florida-Alabama line. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home boasting with over 2,000 square foot and tons of cellar upgrades. So the cellar just had a roof wash done and lots of landscaping. Walking in, you do notice this brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring, fresh paint throughout. So high ceilings in the living room. We have a split open floor plan. So off of the living room, we have the dining and the kitchen area with beautiful custom cabinetry and granite countertops. So off of the dining, we have the laundry utility room. It's quite a large room. And then we have the double car garage. So oversized 2-car garage in this home. Walking out of the laundry utility room, we'll go to the master off of the living. Large master, we've got a beautiful tray ceiling, and then huge master bathroom. So again, beautiful custom cabinetry and granite countertops throughout. We got a double vanity, water closet. We have a garden tub and then a separate shower. So we have his and her closets, walk-in closets, huge walk-in closets in this home. Walking out of the master and onto the other 2 bedrooms. So there is tons of storage in this home. Great closet space throughout. Walk-in closets in every single room. Beautiful cabinetry again. Tile flooring in the bathrooms and wet areas. And we have a study next to the 3rd and final bedroom. Third bedroom, we also have a huge walk-in closet. And now let's take a look at the backyard. So again, the seller's made numerous updates. We've got the vinyl flooring throughout, new trim, basically freshly painted everything. So walking out back, we've got a beautiful backyard. Lots of natural flora and fauna. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home located in Lillian, Alabama. This property is going to be coming on at 2:35. And give us a call if you'd like to see it.